Sunday morning, people are preparing their jobs, opening the shops, and I take you on a little bike tour here in Medjugorje. Come with me. The little secret streets, or not secret streets, but the streets and the hotels of Medjugorje. Let's go together. It's around 8 o'clock and we go in here. So you have a lot of hotels here in Medjugorje, a variety of to choose of, and yeah. Isn't that beautiful, the roses here? Take you now. Let's go this way. You see people have their coffee in the morning, the pilgrims court. On the back you have Cross Mountain. Hello. See, all in the morning before starting the day, they have coffees on the terraces. Isn't that nice? I would say that's a very, very nice lifestyle. You're also on this side. Here you have Hotel Soldo. Hello. See, here's another road with another hotel. We came from the other side, and I leave you with this beautiful view on these hotels here, and also on these roses here. Isn't that beautiful? So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, or give a like, that the videos go up and other people also can get the information about Medjugorje. Bye bye for now. I pray for you, and please pray for me too.